Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is your Lutabot assembly guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Rumbado. So this blue bus has a big main body, and just simply put glue on that big tab that's on its side. So use the Foldabots glue applicator to get the glue right there, nice and flat. So cover it up with the roof, and it would be nice to hold it on this way so that you're pushing out from the inside of the robot and pushing in with your thumbs to make that nice bond between the two papers. Now pressing it on helps flatten the glue as well, and also help it get into those paper's fibers. So now that it's nice and glued on together, we're going to do the tires. So tires T1 to T4 are interchangeable, so you can put it anywhere you wish. So just put glue on those tabs, on those labels, and glue each of the tires like so. So notice I'm also pressing from the inside because of Rumbado's large body. If you kind of press it without pushing outward, the entire model can get a bit wobbly. So if the glue isn't set right, it can slip just like that. So be careful. So it goes here, and one last one right there. We're almost good to go. Okay, so we're gonna do his launchers. So it helps to curl these launchers on a pencil to make a nice cylinder. And the good thing about cardboard is that it stays like that when you curl it up for a few seconds. So it helps build a nice cylindrical shape. So when you're gluing, the nice trick is to also use that pencil so that you can press down on it, and you won't have a problem trying to turn it into a nice cylindrical shape like so. So do the same thing with the other launcher. Put a little glue and insert the pencil and press down. There we go. Okay, 2 launchers. Next, we're doing the arms. So here I'm attaching the launchers to the arms first. So put glue on that part that says launcher, and glue the launcher onto it on any of its sides like this. So the tabs are really smaller than the launchers itself, so that the launchers can stick out from the robot arms like so, and it looks more realistic that his hands are made of 2 launchers. So here I'm sticking the 2 arms to the bus. So I'm putting glue on the opposite side of the flap and sticking it here in the front part of the bus. So since they're identical, you can choose which one you want to do first. And they're nice and ready. So I like curling the arms this way so that the prints face forward. So make sure that the glue is a bit dry before you actually curl it this way so it doesn't get off. Then the toxic projectiles go in here, and so they don't fall in robot mode, just make a nice little fold on the tips, on the opposite ends of the projectile, so that they have something like a lock that prevents them from slipping out. Let's take it for a spin. So here's Rumbado in bus mode. and Rumbado in robot mode. Thanks for watching!